what do you see exciting happening in patents with, let's say, the introduction of, let's say, the AI? How is it affecting patenting itself?
See, I think AI is one thing which is, I think, affecting every field.
True.
And, patenting, I think, adoption is a bit slower, considering it is a very niche field. And typically, if you see, like, giving you a little technical answer here,
Okay.
but if you typically see most of the popular AIs or tools that we have, most of them are based on LLMs, large language models.
Right.
They don't work so well when it is something like very specific or niche areas. Right. So now I think I have been in touch with a lot of early stage startups in IP-based AI solutions.
IP-based AI solutions.
Okay.
Searches and drafting and prosecution.
Drafting, prosecution, searches everywhere and all. They are now finding like a lot of new methods, new ways to come up with a solution which serves this particular field. So AI is something which definitely very exciting happening. At the same time, I think it will require a big upgrade because I don't remember in last 30 years any major upgrade has happened in a patent field. Things are as usual. Technologies are updating, but our laws, our approaches were same, right? The only thing related to AI we talk about is like, can AI be an inventor or not? That's or assignee or not, right? But I think that's not something which, as a core patent filers or people in the patent field, should be worried about. That is a government decision or a legal decision. How AI will affect our day-to-day work is going to
That is what.
be a
so
big
what
change.
I'm coming to here is, are you going to implement AI tools for, let's say, working on patent itself, or using AI to maybe be more efficient, or is it going to improve our quality as such?
Quality aspects, I think it is little too early to comment on that because it's still like things are in progress.
Okay.
But the way it has taken over other field in terms of quality, I'm pretty sure that maybe in a couple of years we'll see the qualitative thing on that. What I see it as more of a efficiency improvement tool.
Efficiency improvement tool first.
That don't deny it completely, don't accept it fully.
Fully true.
Have a good balance where it is like human assisted AI thing or AI assisted human, basically the way you want to see.
Yeah, whatever.
Thing, right? Wherein like that human ingenuity has to be there, that level of understanding has to be there. It could be that something which is as mundane as writing a background section. Let's say if I'm talking about drafting, that can be left over to AI.
Okay.
But if it is a claim thing, I think that
it has to
human
be
has to
from the
play
person.
a very important role over there. That is one thing. So in all aspects, whether it is the prosecution aspect, analytics aspect, litigation aspect, I think everywhere in this particular field, AI will have some kind of role. We have to be smart enough how to use it for most of our advantage. That's what I see. Of course, like a lot of people are pitching up that, okay, there are tools which can help you in coming up with new invention or new ideas. I believe that premise is wrong. Why I need AI to come up with an idea? Okay. It can be used to refine my idea. I agree with that. Okay. Because as a in-house counsel, my objective is not to file 1,000 patents in a year or 10,000 patents in a year. I want to file 100 good patents. Rather than having 1,000 novel ideas. It's okay to have 1,000 novel ideas, but those out of those 1,000, 100 are something which will matter to me, my business, that I can utilize as a strategic tool. So that is where you have to use it more smartly rather than just have a reliance.
If you are over reliant on something,
right,
I'm sure it is going to be a issue.
Yes. So I think that is one very exciting thing this time, which is
we're living in exciting times right now.
Yeah. So because 2 years back, what was there? Right now, where we are standing 2 years, it will be totally different.
Totally different.
And especially, I think we are blessed as IP professional. I'm not talking about like a very generic thing. That our field is something which requires some kind of intellectual contribution.
Definitely.
Right. AI can replace people with mundane job, repetitive job.
Definitely.
But that intellectual quotient, if you have, it will be very difficult to replace you. Right?
True.
So just use it as a tool to improve efficiency.
Yes, as an efficiency tool, it can definitely be used. But I think going forward, it is going to be a balance between the employees themselves has to be checked as to you should not become over reliant that you ask you let AI do everything rather than actually depending on your own intellect to
Exactly,
actually carry out tasks.
Yeah, I think we'll see like more deeper impact in next couple of years. But what I believe direction looks like to have use it as a tool rather than
Rather
let
than
it becoming a master of
master of
yours.
yourself.
Right. So